little pup? Wake up! Why have you woken me up? Is it something important, or is it just something with your funny jokes, like a cake that you never share with us? Let me go see what I have. I brought some gummy bears. I don't like gummy bears. What is this game all about? Anyway, it's your birthday. I was just here to remind you about it. Whose birthday? Your birthday. Whose birthday? Who is that? The strongest guy? I don't know who is that. You, the strongest and grumpiest guy. I know, you're just lying. Oh, me. What do you think your present will be? I hope it will be a whole bunch of funny jokes. And I'll tell you guys all some jokes too. Okay, but I don't think that'll be good. You're the smartest guy. Why won't you just buy us some ice cream? Or we do for you. Jokes! Okay, guys, we've all gathered around here for pizza? No, not for pizza. For Big Pup's and Little Pup's birthday. You can call him whatever you want. I think we should prepare a surprise. Oh, should we shout surprise? Yes, good idea.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Surprise! Oh, for goodness sake. Oh, man. Really? Well, that was a surprise. Were you waiting for a little old me? Happy birthday, little pup. Thank you. Okay, since you don't have any toys, I can give you some of mine as a present. Thanks? How did you know? And I'll give you my surprise so I can make you look cool. Thanks? How do I look? Reddish? Hello. Okay, that takes care of that. Of course. Okay, I give you a kite to play in the wind. What wind? This wind. Ah! Oh, well done, boy horsey. Hello there, little pup. I know everybody in the world likes cake, so I brought you a Mars cake. Oh no. Was that supposed to happen? Woo! Okay, maybe a cake wasn't a good idea. Would you like these? I think. Why are they moving? Ah, they're alive. I thought they were just toys. Get us out of here. Hi there. You look like a big rock. So I brought you not a rock, not a rock, a rock. Thank you. Dinosaur! dinosaur! Hey, unicorns. I still haven't seen your present for a little pup. Are you going to make one? Oh, we know the perfect one. Okay, it's almost time to leave. Better get working. Hey there, little pup. We brought you some ribbons. No, not ribbons. And I forgot to tell you my joke. What joke? What is a rock's favorite fruit?
I know.
It is a rock fruit. Have the ribbons now. Okay, thanks. Hey there. I brought you the gummy bears from today when you were sleeping. I don't like gummy bears.